Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Cantoma. I'm from GREYTEST CAD Design Concept. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me, okay? Now these are the list of softwares which we have covered on our YouTube channel. All the softwares are very much available on our channel. Down below the description of this video, you'll find a link to that channel. Visit the channel and actually keep yourself busy, okay? We have covered structural designs and detailings, road designs, water designs, architectural working drawings, mechanical and electrical service drawings. They are very much available on our channel, okay? We now teach all of the softwares on our Telegram platform, where we'll give you the software, we'll guide you on how to install it and also how to crack it on your system for 40 days. Amazing, right? You can DM me on this contact, on this number, for more information. You can follow me on any of those social media platforms down below the description of this video. Now let's jump right into it. I'm going to be showing you how to actually model a little truss. This is not actually like a real truss, but we are actually going deeper into the introduction of the software, which will give you a deeper insight, okay, about the software. Okay, this is actually going to be the episode 2 of this training. Okay, so this is what we are actually going to model. You can see we have a hinge support here, we have a hinge, we have a roller here. So these are the truss. Okay, so this is the pointed load. This is a load acting on this joint. This is another load pointed at this joint. This is another load at this joint. And then we have let's say this is our grid A, this is B, and this is C. So we have AA here, we have BB, and then we have CC. Okay, good. So let's jump right into it. So I'll click on File, I'll click on New Model. Okay, I'll come to Use Built-in Settings. Okay, I'll explain this in the previous episode. Okay, so choose a template that is actually acceptable in your country, that is used in your country. Okay, these are code of practice. Okay, so I click on OK. I'll come to custom grid spacing. Then I'll click on edit grid. So in this video we are going to focus on display grid data as spacing. Okay, in the last episode we used display grid data as ordinate. Okay, so we are going to be using this, so I click on this. Okay, so right now if we come back here, from our diagram we can see from here to here we have 6 meters, from here to here 3 meters, from here to here 7 meters, from here to here 2 meters. So from this first span is 6, second span 7, 3, third 7, and then the fourth is 2. So that is exactly how we are going to be imputing that here. So the first is actually 6, the second is 3. So we have 6, 3, 7, 2, 6, 3, 7, 2. Okay, so we have 6, 3, 7, and then we have 2. So the last span has to be 0, so which I have to make this as 0. You have to leave it as it is like this. Okay, good. So here we are going to have just one of this, so 0. If I click anywhere, now you can see this is exactly what we have. Okay, I have explained this bubble size and then the grid color in the previous tutorial. Okay, so if I click on OK, if we come back to our custom story data, if we click on edit here, you can see we have up to story 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'll come back here and make this just 1. So if I come to custom story data, you can see from our base 0 two-story one is 3 meters high. Okay, so this is exactly what we are going to have. So I'll click on OK, and then I'll also click on OK. Okay, so this is actually what we have. This is actually the plan view. This is actually the 3D view. Okay, so I'm going to click here. I click here, and then I click set elevation view. So I'll come down to my elevation 1. We have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so these are based on what we have specified, based on our, if you can remember, our span. Okay, so I'm on elevation 1. I will apply, and then I click on OK. Okay, so this is what we have here. On the last tutorial, we used the draw beam / column / brace down from here. Okay, but this is we can still have all of these tools here. We still have them here. Okay, so I'm going to be using this automatic quick draw beam, sorry, which is a bit more faster than so you can see. Okay, good. Okay, so check my diagram. This span. Okay, I have one here, I have one here. This comes this way, this like this, this like this, this like this. Okay, so the main essence of this is just to introduce you more deeper into the software Etabs. Okay, so on our next video, I'm going to actually be introducing doing a live design. Okay, so I drop this here, and then I have one here. Okay, let's see. Let's see my diagram. Okay, this here, this. No, use this. Okay, good. Now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 support here, but from our diagram we only have 3 supports. So I'm going to take off the support at this point and at this one too as well. So we are taking off this and we are taking off this. So I'll just click on this, and I click on this. I'll go to assign, and then I go to joint, restrain. Okay, so I'm going to make that point. Okay, so I click, you can see it has gone off. So if I click here, I come to assign, go to my joint, I go to restrain, I'll make this a roller, and I apply, and I click on OK. If you already like what you're seeing, why not like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as to always get a notification whenever I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, so right now I'm going to put in my loadings on this truss. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have these loadings, different loadings on this trusses. Okay, so if I go down to my assign, I'll go to, firstly I have to pick that I'll come to assign, go to go to joint load, click on force. Okay, so as you can see from the model here, you can see upward is Z, as it is. If it's going, this is horizontal, which is X. Okay, so the vertical is actually Z, the horizontal is actually X. Okay, so we are going in a vertical direction, but this time around we are going downward, so which is -9. Okay, good. So I have -9, so I will apply. Okay, so if I click on this, you can see this is still open. I can just edit this, make this 6. Okay, so here I have 6. I'll apply. Okay, so I have another point, so which is 10. So I make this 10, and then I will apply, and then I click on OK. Okay, good. So you can see our model is actually very much complete. So then I can as well, on my define, I can take off the self weight of this truss. You can see this is the self weight multiplier, which is actually 1, because in the analysis I'm going to be using I am not going to be using the self weight of this, so I can turn that off. So you can see that has actually gone off. So the next thing I'll do here is to actually save this. So I'll click on Ctrl S. So I'll make this let's say trusses. So I have already created a folder for this, which I explained on my previous episode on this. So if I click on save, okay, so it's actually still loading. So once you save this, you'll be able to see the deformation on the building, it's on the model. Okay, so if I come down to my analysis, I can go on run analysis here, or I can use the one here. Okay, so if I click on analysis, it's actually still loading. Okay, it's loading. Okay, good. Now you can see the deformation here. Now you can see here we have 0 errors, we have 2 warnings, we have 1 information. Okay, so on our next episode, which we are going to be going into a building design, I'm going to take you through explaining this warning, how to rectify all of this. But you can see, if you read through this, you see solving linear, this is actually the warning, solving linear stiffness from 0 on stress initial conditions. Okay, the structure is unstable. Okay, so this is telling you that the structure is unstable. You can see what is here. So I'm just going to click on done, so you can read through. You can see we have 2 different okay, we have just 1 information, but we have 2 warnings here. Okay, so this is the warning 1, this is warning 2. Okay, which is saying 0 or negative model mass values were detected during iteration. Okay, the resulting, the structure is unstable or ill-conditioned. Okay, check the structure carefully for inadequate support condition. So so we are not going into that right now on this tutorial, but we are going to cover that once we go deeper into this training. Okay, so I'll click on done. If you want to view the information here on this elevation view, all you need to do is just to come to your display and then click on deform shape. Okay, so I'm going to leave everything like it is. I'll click on OK. Now you can see the deformation. You can as well animate this. All I need to do is just to click on start animation, so you can see it has started already. Okay, now you can see. So it's actually still loading. So you can see. So I'm going to stop this. Okay, so we can check for share. We can actually check for the moment, okay, as well. So just click on this. Click on display frame. Okay, if you click here, I've explained this. Okay, for XX, for YY, for XX, for YY, which is okay. So if I apply these, then you can see, we can as well see the values on them. I click on apply, you can see the values have actually popped up by just checking on this. I can check for the moment here. Now you can see the moment. Okay, okay. So if you love what you're seeing, make sure that you actually like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to this channel, is actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as to always get a notification whenever I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, to encourage as many that wants to have a deeper insight of design. You can come register with us and we'll train you on each of those softwares that you see just for a token. Okay, make sure that you stay safe and make sure that you actually stay blessed.